Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to delete a wallpaper photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the wallpaper. Now as you can see, this is my current wallpaper. So if I wanted to change it, what I need to do is I just need to go either to the swipe to the right or I need to go to the left. Anywhere is fine. So I'll go over here like this and I'll set this as a current wallpaper. So this is a way how we can change from old one kind of a new one, but because we don't have an option here to delete it by the Apple. So this is an issue that Apple should address down the road. It should let the users to delete it from here if they feel like the wallpaper that they created, if they feel like they wanted to change it, they can delete the older one and set a new one from here as well. Now, but even though if you want to change it back, you can go back like this and you can set a current wallpaper over here so you can feel the changes over here whenever you're using the phone. Now, even though we have a solution, that is all about you have to go to the lock screen. There is a way how you can change the wallpaper, how we can delete the wallpaper as well. So in order to do this, first of all, you have to lock your screen. Now we have to go to the lock screen, so make sure the phone should be like this. You should be turn it on. Now you have to give a Face ID and make sure that you unlock the phone. Without unlocking the phone, you cannot do this. So it's an important thing. So just unlock your phone, like you have to give your Face ID over there and unlock it. Then just press and hold. Now when you do like this, you can see there is an option. So if I wanted to delete this particular wallpaper completely from the lock screen, I have to swipe to the right like this. There is a trash icon. If I go over here to the trash icon, that will be deleted, right? So if I want to delete anything, for example, if I wanted to delete this one, I have to do like this, swipe to the top. Then there's a trash icon. If I click on this, go for delete this wallpaper, so it will be deleted. So this is how we can do this. It's quite simple as it is. And also Apple should let users on this particular issue, it should let down the road in the coming previous all updates or down the road to the phones, they should let the users to delete from the setting itself. So I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.